Football fans were left in shock during Premier League action as a frightening moment unfolded at Stamford Bridge. 18-year-old debutant Jesse Derry, making his first senior start for Chelsea FC, suffered a serious head injury after a brutal collision with Zach Abbott. The incident happened late in the first half when both players clashed heads inside the box while going for the ball. The stadium fell completely silent as medical teams rushed in. Derry appeared unconscious and was given oxygen on the pitch before being stretchered off, a deeply worrying sight for fans and teammates alike. The collision also led to a penalty for Chelsea, but Cole Palmer saw his shot brilliantly saved by Sels. Both players were substituted immediately, with Derry replaced by Liam Delap, while Abbott was taken off under concussion protocols. A night that should have been a dream debut turned into a moment of concern. Fans around the world are now hoping for Jesse Derry's quick and safe recovery.